In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a double running stitch brush in Procreate. Open a square canvas. I'm using 3000 by 3000 pixels. Then grab the monoline brush from the calligraphy set. Draw an oval shape and fill it with black. Now turn on magnetics and snapping and move the oval to the center of the canvas. Next, add a new layer and set it as a clipping mask. Use the soft brush from the airbrushing set to paint a soft white shadow on one side. Don't worry, it will become a shadow when we invert it later. Group both layers, then move the group to the top half of your canvas. Now duplicate the group and move the lower copy to the lower half. Make sure both are centered on the canvas. Go to Actions, Copy Canvas, then open your brush library and tap the plus sign to create a new brush. Under Shape, tap Edit, Import, and Paste. Use two-finger tap to invert the shape, then tap Done. In the Shape settings, change rotation to follow stroke. Under Stroke Path, increase spacing to about 56%. Go to the Apple Pencil tab and set opacity to none. Under Properties, turn off Orient to Screen. Now let's test it out. Looks good, right? Finally, go to About this brush. Add the brush name, your photo, and your signature or name. Don't forget to tap Create Reset Point to save it. And that's it. You've just made a double running stitch brush in Procreate. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Happy creating!